guys, and welcome to my first ever video. So today we have a song, Nerf Nation, Gun versus Gun. This is channels versus Gun, and let's just get into this song. It's a very good song and I love it. Well, it could be better, but it's pretty epic, this song. So yeah, let's go.
Are you joking? Are you joking right now?
There are two things I don't joke about. Boobs and pizza.
Nerf or nothing, baby. Nerf or nothing. Nerf or nothing, baby. Nerf or nothing. Nerf or nothing, baby. Nerf or nothing. Nerf Nation! Get on your feet, soldier, and accept no defeat. Nerf Nation! Let's go to battle now. Follow me, I'll show you how. Grab a Nerf guns, here we go. Let's roll. Nerf Nation anthem, you got the phone call. Play this song before you go into Nerf battle. Get on your feet, soldier, your brains I will rattle. You got your Nerf guns laid up on the kitchen table. Pick your main gun, the one that's your staple. Grab a backup weapon and a backup to the backup. Stack of foam darts, and are you ready for your come on? Get on your feet, soldier, and accept no defeat. Let's go to battle now, follow me, I'll show you how. Grab a deep boy and that Gatling gun. If you need some lessons, visit YouTube Gun vs Gun. We'll show you the way and we'll never let you down. Brotherly love, if you don't know, you're a clown. But this song's for you to get your adrenaline pumping. Lock and load your guns, get your heart rate jumping. You will not go down, you will not be defeated. You will stand on top and your enemies will feel cheated. Get on your feet, soldier, and accept no defeat. Let's go to battle now, follow me, I'll show you how.